Hello everyone, welcome to your science class. Today we are going to discuss chapter 8 Cell Structure and Function. Further pages explanation. We have learned in our last class about cell structure, shape and size. Today we are going to discuss differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. In prokaryotic cell, nucleus in a bacterial cell is not well organized like multicellular organism. Nuclear material lies scattered in the cell without a nuclear membrane. This cell does not have any well differentiated cell organelles. Because of their primitive structure, they are known as prokaryotes. Easy bacteria, blue-green algae, and blue-green algae is called cyanobacteria. Look at this picture, a bacterial cell, a prokaryotic cell. Cytoplasm, flagellum, nucleoid DNA, ribosomes, plasma membrane, cell membrane, capsule, and plasmid is present in a prokaryotic cells or bacterial cell. In eukaryotic cells, multicellular organisms have cells with well-organized nucleus and other well-organized cell organelles. These cells are known as eukaryotic cells and the organism as eukaryotes. Organelles are present in eukaryotic cells. First, mitochondria. They are oval-shaped organelles which produce energy during respiration. They are known as powerhouses of the cell. They are present both in animal cell and plant cell. And second point, endoplasmic reticulum. They are tube-like structure that extend from nuclear membrane to the cell membrane. They help in transportation of substances within the cell. Look at this picture in endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is two types: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes is present in rough endoplasmic reticulum, and function of the rough endoplasmic reticulum is protein synthesis, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesis of lipid. Third point, ribosomes. They are small granular organelles which help in protein synthesis. They are found free in surface of cytoplasm and or located on the endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes work as a protein synthesis. Ribosomes are made two subunit. First large subunit and second is small subunit. And fourth point, Golgi bodies. They are the organelles which perform secretory functions and are found only in animal cells. Golgi bodies are present only in animal cells. And point 5, centrosomes. They are rounded bodies found in animal cells which help in the cell division. Centrosomes function is cell division. And lysosomes, they are sac-like structure containing digestive enzymes to digest microbes, food particles and worn out cells. Lysosomes is called suicidal bag of the cells. And some 0.7 plastids. They are colored organelles found scattered in the cytoplasm of the leaf cells. Plant cells have three types of plastid. Point A, chloroplast, green colored organelles due to presence of chlorophyll. They help in photosynthesis. And point B, leucoplast. They are colorless and help in storing food. And point C, chromoplast. These plastids have pigments other than green, example red, yellow, etc. Chromoplast commonly found in tomato, carrot, beetroot, etc. Red color of tomato due to chromoplast, and red color of carrot is due to chromoplast. Next point is vacuoles. They are blank spaces found in the cytoplasm. Large vacuoles are seen in plant cell and some small animals cell. They contain substances dissolved in water. This fluid is known as cell sap. Look at this picture. First picture is animal cell and second picture in plant cell. Difference between animal cell and plant cells. In animal cells, it does not have any cell wall, and plastids are absent in animal cells and centrosomes are present in them. Next point, vacuoles are either absent or very small, and Golgi bodies are present in near the nucleus. And last point is it is generally small in size. In plant cell, cellulosic cell wall is present. Plastids are present in plant cells. Plastids is color pigment present in plant cell. And next point, they do not have any centrosome, and large prominent vacuole is present. They may be one or two in number. Look at this picture in plant cell, and large structure is a vacuole. So large vacuole is present in plant cell. Instead of Golgi bodies, dictyosomes are present and they are larger than the animal cell. Thank you, student. This is last video of our chapter number 8. We have discussed all topics of chapter number 8, cell structure and function. We will discuss our next chapter in next video. Have a good day.